nih ya. Okay, Sis Azizah, that you are still working for this one ya. Okay, for this. Right. So I'm gonna ask you that you prefer watching movie at cinema or maybe on your gadget nih. And how about you, bro Fazia? Which one do you prefer? Watching movie on cinema or gadget?
Yes, bro, Yudis.
Mm-mm. Lebih suka yang mana nih, bro Fazia? Gadget or at the cinema? Atau di bioskop atau di gadget if you wants to watch a movie?
I like to gadget.
Wow, that you prefer gadget ya? Dan at the cinema nih. And how about you, bro Shiva?
Yes, bro.
Gadget or cinema if you wants to watch a movie?
Uh, for me, I like cinema.
Cinema, that you like it ya? Then your gadget nih. And how about Sis Maria? Does you prefer gadget or movie when you want to watch?
I like in cinema.
Okay, does you prefer cinema for this one, Sis Maria? And how about Sis Seroja?
I like gadget.
Wow, does you choose your gadget for this one ya, Sis Seroja? And how about Sis Naila? 2812.
Mm, gadget.
Wow, gadget that you choose it ya. And how about Sis Lina? Gadget or cinema that you prefer?
I'm prepare gadget because I like short movie.
Okay, that you like short movie ya, right? And how about Sis Baik Kuratul Aini? Gadget or cinema nih? That you like it if you want to watch a movie for this
I
ya.
I like both of them, cinema
Oke.
and gadget.
Wah, suka dua-duanya ya. That's nice, Sis Baik Kuratul nih. And how about you, Sis Eka?
Hello. Okay. I prefer watch cinema at the movies because I like
Okay.
the atmosphere.
Okay, for this one ya. Okay. That's nice, Sis Eka. And how about you, Sis Yeni?
I like in cinema.
Wow, did you choose cinema for this one, Sis Yeni? And how about you, Bro David? Or Sis Adinda Sarah nih?
Uh, I like movie and gadget.
Oke, that you like movie and gadget ya. Jadi lebih suka film dan juga gadget ya. Jadi
Yes.
cinema enggak nih. Oke. And how about you, Sis Adinda?
I prefer to like watch movie at cinema.
Hmm. Jadi kalau prefer sama like bisa pilih salah satu, Sis Adinda ya. Jadi
Oh,
jangan digabung.
sorry.
Soalnya kalau prefer nanti artinya lebih suka. Tapi kalau like artinya nanti suka aja. Jadi kalau kita gabung, kalau kita artikan lebih suka nanti artinya. Jadi pilih yang mana nih? Prefer atau like?
I prefer to just watch movie at cinema.
Oke, that you prefer?
Cinema. Watch
Choosing
movie
ya,
at
to
cinema.
choose for this one. Okay, that's nice, Sis Adinda. And how about you, Sis Susinta?
I like both cinema
Wow,
and
that you
gadget.
like both ya. Jadi kalau mau bilang keduanya kita bisa pakai both. Tepat sekali, Sis Susinta ya. And how about you, Sis Beta?
I prefer to watch movie at the cinema because the screen is big,
Okay,
and then I
because of the
like it
screen ya.
watch at the cinema. Yes.
Okay, the screen that you like it nih. That's nice, Sis Beta nih. And how about you, Sis Nurma?
I prefer in cinema.
Wow, that you prefer cinema for this. And Mimi?
I like cinema.
Wow, that you choose cinema for this. And Sis Fiona?
I like gadget because I like watch Dracin or Drakor.
Okay, Dragon ya, that you like to watch it ya. Nice, and also Drakor. Bro Fahmi? There's nothing. Or Sis Nidar? Cinema or gadget nih? Bioskop atau mungkin gadget for this one? Or it looks like Sis Sophia? Gadget or maybe cinema?
I prefer to watch a movie at home in Netflix.
Okay, that's about Netflix that you like it, yeah. All right. So the support of the things that you have tried to say it, yeah, especially is about when we try to talk about movie, ya, and that you prefer cinema or maybe gadget ya, dikarenakan sekarang sangat gampang ya atau dimudahkan ketika kita ingin menonton nih sebuah film nih. And also that you try to put about gadget or maybe that you put about cinema. Jadi jangan lupa teman-teman, movie itu adalah film ya, sama seperti film for this. Tapi kalau untuk bioskop kita bisa ucapin cinema nih. And that we could find it's about tiket juga, kita bisa menemukan tiket nih. Jadi kalau kita mau menggunakan present tense pun juga bisa kita gunakan di sini ya. Contohnya, she goes to the cinema ya. Jadi dia perempuan pergi ke ke bioskop nih. Or maybe that she says about she watches movie at the cinema. Nah, kita bisa menggunakan yang present tense juga nih for this. Atau mungkin if you want to say it's about the nominal, kita bisa juga menggunakan yang nominal ketika tidak ada kata kerja nih. For example, I am at the cinema now. Jadi aku sekarang berada di bioskop nih, atau aku di bioskop sekarang. Kita bisa juga gunakan kalimat tersebut ya. Ada juga tiket nih teman-teman. When we try to talk about tiket nih, ngomongin tentang tiket, kira-kira teman-teman lebih prefer tiket offline or online? Sis Nurma, did you prefer online or offline tiket, Sis Nurma?
Offline ticket.
Offline kenapa nih Sis Nurma? Dan Cici about the online one.
I'm gaptek this bro.
Oh, berarti that's easy to ya. Kalau offline lebih gampang ya untuk Sis Nurma ya.
Yeah.
Berarti bisa jawabannya because it's easy to use it ya. Dan online ya.
Yeah.
Easier for this nih. Okay, that's nice Sis Nurma. And how about Sis Angel? Offline or online tiket Sis Angel? Kalau beli tiket Sis Angel lebih prefer yang mana ya kira-kira?
Offline ticket.
Offline? Okay. Did she
Yes.
choose about the offline? Why, Sis Angel? Did she choose about the offline one? Lebih gampang juga atau gimana nih?
Yeah, it's more
Coba.
easy than the online ticket.
Jadi kalau Sis Angel mau bilang lebih gampang, pakai easier aja, nggak perlu pakai more. Coba. It's easier.
Yeah, it's easier than the online ticket.
Okay, that's easier than the online ticket. That's why that she choose it's about that ya. Okay, it's really cool about that. Sis Angel, right? And how about Sis Roja? Kalau beli-beli tiket, prefer yang mana nih Sis Roja? Okay, so part of things that you have tried to say for that ya. Or it looks like Sis Susinta, offline or online?
Offline.
Offline, why?
It's easy.
It's easy too. All right. And how about Sis Eka, offline or online?
I like online because if we buy online ticket, that is guarantee us availability.
Okay, the support of the guarantee ya, that you could find it there. Soalnya kadang kalau offline kita nggak tahu ya, is it available or not ya. Okay, that's nice about that Sis Eka ya. And how about Bro Shiva, offline or online Bro Shiva?
I like online ticket Very very flexible, flexible.
Oke, that's a flexible for ya. Oke, that's about that Bro Shiva ya. Jadi teman-teman, that you could use it about this one ya. Ada juga seat ya. Jadi kalau seat itu adalah kursi, nih for this. Seat, nih for that. Tapi kalau untuk yang duduk kita bisa ucapin sit, sit, sit. Jadi nggak ada i-nya ya, tapi lebih ke cenderung e sama juga cenderung dengan sit down please, sit down please. Tapi have a seat ya, have a seat. Jadi kursi sama duduk beda untuk pengucapannya teman-teman ya. Jadi kalau duduk as a part of the action, tapi kalau it looks like a seat itu kursinya, berarti bendanya seperti itu teman-teman. And also that you could say it's about prologue ya, gambaran cerita. Ada juga cast, pemeran. Ada actor and actress that you could find it about that. And also that we could find it's about plot. Jadi alur ceritanya nih untuk teman-teman di sini yang suka Dracin mungkin ya, that you know it's about the plot for this one. Tampaknya there's only sis Viana nih that you love about Dracin nih. Sis Viana, what's your favorite plot on Dracin? Misalnya kalau Dracin tuh plotnya apa aja nih Sis Viana? Maju mundur atau maju aja nih? Mungkin ada flashbacknya dikit-dikit.
Maksudnya?
Alur
Maju.
ceritanya gimana?
Oh,
Is
alur
a part
cerita.
of the plot.
Ada yang jenis kolosal atau yang CEO.
CEO
Seperti
selalu
itu.
ada ya. Kayak Indonesia dong ya.
Iya.
Oke, cuma kolosal sama CEO aja ya, support of the plot of Dracin ya.
Oh
That you
iya.
usually watch nih. Berarti nontonnya di TikTok. Where do you usually watch it nih?
YouTube.
Oh di YouTube. Ada di YouTube. Oke, that you could find it on YouTube ya for this. Nih. Bentar, Siswiana kalau berarti kalau Dracin tuh kayak ini, K-drama, tapi Cina gitu aja.
Iya.
Oke, that's nice ya. Series berarti ya.
Itu.
Series or movie? Kalau series kan banyak episodenya kan. Kalau movie kan there's
Oh,
only one aja. So it's like a
yes.
series for this one. Alright. And also ada juga genre ya. Genre itu lebih ke aliran ya. Jadi jenis film apa yang teman-teman suka? Apakah komedi atau mungkin horror like that, or maybe that you love is kinds of action. Sis Maria, what's your favorite movie genre, Sis Maria? Apa nih
I like
genre?
comedy.
Wow, that you love comedy movie ya. And how about you, Sis Lina? What's your favorite movie genre?
I like comedy and romantic.
Wow, comedy and romance.
Yeah.
That's nice about that, Sis Lina ya. And Sis Baik, Kurotul, what's your favorite movie genre?
I like romantic genre and film laga.
Oke, berarti kolosal ya. Or
Yes.
maybe actions too for this that you love it. Sampai nangis gak tuh waktu nonton romantic movie? Sis Baik.
No, no.
Oh, okay, that you don't cry ya, exactly when
Yeah.
you watch about a romantic movie. Okay, that's real cool. And how about you, sis Naila 2812?
Comedy and horror.
Wow, komedi horor. Berarti pernah nonton KKN Desa Konoha ya, sis Naila ya?
Pernah.
Pernah. Waduh, nonton di mana tuh KKN Desa Konohanya?
Cinema.
Oh, at the cinema. Alright, that's really cool, sis Naila. And how about Bro David? What's movie genre that you like it?
I like action,
Mm-mm.
comedian.
Mm-mm. Action and also comedy movie ya. That you like it. That's nice, Bro David. Sis Adinda Sarah, what's
I
your
like
favorite movie
action
genre?
movie.
Wow,
Action.
action movie. Western or local? Kayaknya
Western.
Western. Okay. That's nice for this one ya, Sis Adinda. And so Sis Susinta, what's your favorite movie genre?
Comedy and horror.
Horror. Pernah nonton KKN Desa Konoha juga sih, Susinta?
Yes.
Pernah nonton di mana nih KKN Desa Konoha ya?
Di Bioskop, cinema.
Okay, at the cinema too ya, si Susinta ya. And sis Beta, what's movie genre that you like it ya?
I like to watch horror movie and action movie.
Wih, horror and action nih. What action movie do you like it? Action movie yang kayak gimana sis Beta? Science fiction? Atau yang Colossal, It's a Part of Kingdom? Atau yang It's a
Fighting,
Part... Apa?
yang fighting.
Yang fighting ya? Okay, that's about the fighting scene that you like it ya. And how about you, sis Sofia? What's your favorite movie genre?
My favorite genre is comedy, horror, and action.
Okay, comedy, horror, and actions too. And sis Nurma, what's your
I
favorite
like
genre?
action genre.
Wah,
Action
action genre too. Alright, suka adegan berantem ya, berantem ya. It's about fighting scene nih. And how about you, sis Mimi?
I like thriller.
Okay, thriller. Wow, that's a really cool. It's about that a lot of blood that you could find in there ya. And sis Roja, or sis Angel?
I like drama comedy.
Berarti it's a part of the comedy and mixed with drama ya, that you like it for that. Nice. And how about si Salma? Movie genre-nya apa nih si Salma? That you like it? Or Bro Satria? Wah, there's nothing for this. Or Bro Fazia? Movie genre apa yang Bro Fazia suka?
Entertaining movie.
Oh, entertaining movie that you like it ya. And how about you, Sis Raisa? What's your favorite movie genre? Okay, there's nothing for this one ya. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a challenge teman-teman. Kira-kira siapa yang berani mencoba membuat kalimat dari beberapa kosakata ini ya? Who dare to try it for this nih? That you could raise your hand. Kalau teman-teman ada yang mau coba membuat kalimat dari beberapa kosakata ini nih, silahkan ya. Jadi ada scene, ada dialogue, ada movie star juga, ada juga moral value. Bisa pakai yang present tense agar teman-teman terbiasa ya menggunakan present tense, boleh sekali teman-teman. For example, that she says about she buys a ticket ya. Jadi dia perempuan membeli sebuah tiket. Jadi ada kata kerja bentuk S ketika kita pakai she. Atau ada yang mau pakai kalimat negatif ya. For example, I don't like this genre. Aku nggak suka aliran film ini. Atau that you say it's about, do you watch that scene? Jadi apakah kamu nonton adegan tersebut? Nah, itu juga bisa pakai yang interrogatif atau kalimat tanya. Atau mungkin ada yang pakai yang nominal nih. For example, I'm not an actor. Jadi aku bukan seorang aktor. Or maybe that you say about Pevita Pierce is an actress. Jadi Pevita seorang aktris nih for that ya. Oke, kira-kira siapa yang berani mencoba that you could raise your hand and that you could make a sentence from these? Wow, wow, Bro David, that you are available ya to try it. Come on, Bro David, Kevin, mau pilih yang mana lebih dari satu boleh ya?
I don't like movie don't have moral value.
Oke, pilih dua ya, Bro David ya, yang tidak punya moral value ya. That don't have a moral value. Oke, that's correct about this one, Bro David. Pilih dua, Bro David nih, kira-kira teman-teman. Yang lain pilih yang mana ya? Oke, Sis Raisa, silahkan.
She is movie star in the television.
Nah, jadi kalau televisi bisa pakai yang on ya, Sis Raisa. Coba sekali lagi.
She
On
is
television.
star on television.
Oke, that's a real cool, Sis Raisa nih. And how about you, Sis Nurma? Wih, berani mencoba, come on, Sis Nurma.
Mudah-mudahan betul ya, Kak.
Ya, coba aja dulu, Sis Nurma. Salah mah normal. Yang penting berani mencoba dulu.
Okay. Who is your favorite movie star?
Bisa banget. That's correct about this one, Sis Nurma ya. Who is your favorite movie star? Oke, yang penting coba aja dulu, Sis Nurma ya. Jangan insecure. Salah mah normal ya. Right. And how about you, Sis Sofia?
I like films that provide religious moral values.
Okay, that's correct about this one, sis Sophia. And how about you, sis Eka? Mau pilih yang mana nih?
Okay. Actress. She is a
Actress.
talented actress.
She is talented actress. Okay, that's correct about this one, sis Eka ya. Pilih yang nominal nih. Right. And how about the other one? Siapa kira-kira yang berani mencoba ya, teman-teman ya? Who dare to try it to make a sentence from this vocabulary ya? Okay, there's nothing. Oke, sembari menunggu teman-teman yang raise hand akan bro koreksi ya, teman-teman yang sudah mengirim jawaban dari speaking partner question ya. What moments do you love the most during Ramadan? Oke, so for Sis Viana, thank you that you have tried to send your answer ya. Jawabannya. Oke, tepat semua ya kalimatnya, Sis Viana. Nggak ada yang miss ya. Oke, that's correct. That's why that's never mind when you try to find your sentence by look for your dictionary ya. Jadi nggak apa-apa teman-teman ketika teman-teman menjawab sembari melihat kamusnya. Itu lebih bagus ya teman-teman. Oke, that's nice Sis Viana. Oke, Sis Eka, Livia nih juga sudah mengirim nih. Oke, tepat sekali ya, Sis Eka, Livia untuk jawabannya nggak ada yang miss nih. Untuk Kaf nih, ini siapa ya Kaf ya? Semoga hadir nih Kaf. Oke, tepat sekali jawabannya untuk Kaf ya. Oke, this is really cool nih. Ada lagi yang mau coba teman-teman? Who dare to try? That you could try it ya. Make a sentence and that you try to apply your grammatical structure before that we have learned, especially for present tense nih. Agar kita terbiasa menggunakan present tense juga ya teman-teman ya. Jadi nggak cuma kita hafalkan dari cara penyusunannya, tapi kita praktekkan terus agar jauh lebih lama nih hafalnya ya. Jadi nggak cuma hafal, tapi lebih ke paham kalau kita praktekkan terus nih. Who's next nih? Who dare to try it? Don't forget, tomorrow we still have a class ya teman-teman ya. Mohon maaf dikarenakan di hari Rabu kemarin laptop Bro Yudis rusak nih ya. That's why we should reschedule on Saturday nih. Jadi untuk pertemuan ke-10 kita besok nih. Oke, siapa lagi? Udah nggak ada lagi? Who wants to try it, teman-teman? Nobody wants to try for this? Wah, ada, Sis Viana. Oke, Sis Viana. Mau pilih yang mana?
I don't like going to the cinema.
I don't like going to the cinema. Bener ya? Setelah like, ada bebingnya dikarenakan Sis Viana tidak ada tuh ya. That's correct about that, Sis Viana. Thank you sudah mengaplikasikan like yang pernah kita pelajari sebelumnya. Sis Beta, ayo Sis Beta silahkan.
Okay, I will make a question using sit.
Okay, sit.
Excuse me, can we switch the seats?
Can we switch the seat ya? Benar sekali, Sis Beta ya. Jadi kalau untuk seat yang ini agar beda nanti artinya dengan duduk ya. Jadi kalau yang ini pakai i, kayak pengucapan Sis Beta tadi ya. Can we change the seat ya? Oke, that's correct. And Sis Adinda?
I like the Bridgerton series because the actor and actresses act very well.
Oke, that's correct for this one ya. Sis Adinda Sarah nih. Oke, dan juga Desiree Long ya, sobat your sentence nih. Oke, siapa lagi? Udah to try it ya, teman-teman ya. Nah, itu kurang like aja sis Bro Siva ya. Kurang I don't like. Wow, si Sofia mau coba lagi, silahkan si Sofia ya.
Okay. I like watching comedy films because the storyline of this genre very funny.
Mm-mm.
Is that okay?
That's correct dong ya. That you try to combine between
Thank
verbal dan
you.
juga nominal ya si Sofia. Keren banget nih. Untuk alasannya
Thank you
pakai
so
yang nominal
much.
nih. Right. And Bro Shiva, ya Bro Shiva.
Okay, bro. Thank you. I just like colossal film and entertainment National Geographic, but I don't thriller movie because I am scared.
Berarti I don't like thriller movie. Ditambahkan I don't like thriller movie. Maksudnya kan Bro Shiva nggak suka film thriller kan?
I
Nah, jadi kurang ditambahkan like aja. I don't
oh,
like thriller movie for this one. Soalnya kalau I don't nanti kurang lengkap. Maksudnya Bro Shiva. Kalau kita artikan ya, I don't thriller berarti aku tidak thriller. Nah, nanti artinya biar lengkap kan bisa pakai I don't like.
okay.
Okay, that's nice about that Bro Shiva ya. Atau I don't enjoy juga bisa ya Bro Shiva ya. Aku tidak menikmati thriller movie. That you can use about that. Siapa lagi nih kira-kira teman-teman yang berani mencoba ya? That you could try. Wah, Sis Mimi nih. That you raise your hand. Come on, Sis Mimi.
The plot in Squid Game movie is very good.
Okay, the plot. Nih, correct. That you choose about the nominal set the Sis Mimi. Tampaknya pernah nonton Squid Game ya. That you watch it nih. Oke, siapa lagi? Dare to try it ya, teman-teman. That's enough for this. Nobody wants to try it again. Right. If that's enough, let's get started about our breakout room ya teman-teman ya. Kita mulai breakout room topik kita nih. Jadi hari ini kita akan berdiskusi tentang benda-benda yang teman-teman biasa bawa nih setiap hari ya. Either that you say it's about that you go to the office or maybe ketika teman-teman pergi nongkrong ya, itu biasanya bawa apa aja. Jadi teman-teman sebutkan ya benda-benda penting yang teman-teman bawa. Jadi lebih banyak lebih baik ya teman-teman ya. Terus lebih prefer in time or on time. Jadi jangan lupa dikasih alasannya juga ya teman-teman ya. Kenapa on time dan kenapa in time nih. Oke, akan bertunjuk interviewernya ya. Interviewernya di kelompok satu yang bertugas bertanya. Nantinya this we have about... Oke. Kelompok satu, this I'm gonna choose Bro Shiva ya. Bro Shiva as a interviewer. Nanti tugasnya cuma menanya aja nih for that. Kelompok dua nih, interviewernya ada Sis Viana ya. Sis Viana menjadi interviewer, nanti bertugas untuk memberi pertanyaan ke teman-teman yang ada di room. Oke. Terus kelompok tiga, interviewernya that we have Sis Naila nih. Sis Naila as a interviewer. Okay, so let's get started about this our topic today, teman-teman. Kita mulai ya latihan kita. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Roshiva, Sis Viana, and Sis Naila. Jangan lupa teman-teman bisa klik ya. There's a part of invitation untuk bergabung ke room, teman-teman. Okay, so we're back again on our main room, teman-teman. Teman-teman tadi sudah berlatih ya satu sama lain when you try to talk about what kind of thing do you usually bring. And now, kira-kira siapa yang berani mencoba ya untuk 1 minute challenge? That's why I'm gonna try to check it about your grammatical structures. That's a part of your pronunciation. And also, this, I want to check it about the result of your discussion nih. That you could raise your hand if you want to try it ya. Belum ada yang raise hand. For this, wow. That's we have. Okay, Sis Eka. Silakan Sis Eka. What kind of thing do you usually bring and that you prefer in time or on time?
Okay, thank you. I always bring my reading glasses because I find some difficulties to read if I don't bring it.
Wow, okay. All right, it's a part of the important thing, yeah, Sis Eka, yeah, that you bring about that 3D glasses. Oh, and how many glasses that you have with me? There's only one? Or maybe that you have more than one?
Oh no, I have 4 reading glasses.
For reading glasses ya, jadi aman ya kalau semisal yang satu trouble like that you have this any backups ya. Okay, that's
Yes,
right, Lulu
that's
Sis
right.
Eka ya. When you try to
Okay, thank
answer about
you.
that, you're welcome for this. Wah, nggak ada yang raise hand lagi. Wow, Sis Nurma. Ayo, Sis Nurma, it's your turn nih. What kind of thing do you usually bring ya?
Usually, when I go somewhere, I bring some important things. First, I bring my mukena because it is easier for me to pray. Then, I also bring a charger because I want to be ready if my phone battery is low. Next, I always bring my phone because I need it for many things such as ordering food, booking online, right, and making payments. That's all.
Wow, making payment ya terakhir ya for this one ya. Oke, bener ya. Melakukan sebuah pembayaran. Tepat sekali for this one ya, Sis Nurma ya. Alright, so it's correct for this exactly that you could say about that ya. Oke, untuk penyusunan kalimatnya oke sekali ya, Sis Nurma. Apalagi ditambahkan opening tadi ya. Let's make it that's a really look natural ya. Alright. So untuk
Saya lupa baca.
apa?
Ada penutupnya juga. Those are the important things I usually bring with me.
That's correct for this one as part of the opening and also this closing too ya. It's very cool for this one ya. Oke, tepat sekali persiapannya Sis Nurma dan keren ya untuk detailingnya. It's very good for this nih. And Bro Fahmi, what kind of thing do you usually bring? Benda-benda apa yang biasa Bro Fahmi bawa?
First, I bring my phone because it brings scrolling through social media and use WhatsApp to communicate. I also bring a phone charger because my phone battery never survives today. Next, we always bring a raincoat. Because the weather is so unpredictable. I prepare in time because it can be used to prepare myself before starting activities.
It's correct ya, ditambahkan alasan juga ya tadi ya dari beberapa benda, the several things that you bring and also that you prefer about that time ya. Oke, that's a perfect grammatical structure Bro Fahmi, kan videonya oke, tinggal dilatih aja terus ya Bro Fahmi ya. Jangan ada kata menyerah nih. Oke, that's correct for that Bro Fahmi. Wow, our interviewer dikarenakan nobody raise your hand. Bro Shiva. Come on Bro Shiva. I want to hear about your answer ya. What kind of thing do you usually bring and that you prefer in time or on time?
I prefer to be on time.
And what kind of thing do you usually bring?
Oh,
Benda apa aja yang dibawa?
I bring books because I can spend time reading. I also bring a bag to carry my books. Next, I always bring my cell phone for communication.
Oke, benar ya. Jadi kalau tas bisa dipakai di carry dikarenakan kita taruh di punggung ya biasanya. Oke, tepat sekali Bro Shiva dan ditambahkan alasan juga tampak lebih lengkap ya. And next, there is Sis Lala nih. It's your turn, Sis Lala. That's I wanna hear your answer ya. What kind of thing do you usually bring and that you prefer in time or on time ya, Sis Lala?
If I always bring my phone because I think it's important. And then I also bring a book, maybe when I will sleep, because I like reading. And next, I always bring a pen because if I don't understand something I'm reading, I can mark it up. And I prefer to in in time because it prevent me from being late.
It's prevent ya, berarti mencegah ya.
Yes.
Alright, that's correct for this one. Tadi juga pakai mark it up ya, menandai. Oke banget untuk kosakatanya Sis Lala ya. Jadi untuk grammatical structure-nya nggak ada yang miss ya Sis Lala ya. Cuma tadi yang pengucapan di awal, actually agak sedikit ragu-ragu Sis Lala. Coba sekali lagi dong.
Yang actually?
Coba lagi. Actually, tadi agak sedikit ragu-ragu aja. Padahal udah bener pengucapannya. Coba. Actually.
Actually,
Benar ya.
I always bring my phone because I think it's important.
Nice ya. Juga dikombin dengan nominal ya. Jadi nggak usah ragu-ragu Sis Lala udah tepat kok untuk pengucapannya ya. Oke, that's nice about that ya, Sis Lala. And how about you, Sis Raisa? What kind of thing do you usually bring ya?
Yes. Hello everyone. When I travel, I prepare my things, namely a bag containing my skincare and my phone. And the most important thing is money because it's very, very, very important and because we can't do anything without it. Thank you.
Wah, skincare-nya banyak ya. There's a lot of skincare that you bring ya. That's why that you say it. Alright. 10 ada Sis Raisa. Oh, nggak sampai ya. Kalau skincare 10 ya. For this one ya. The support of the essential things ya. Oke, Sis Raisa. Oke banget ya untuk penyusunannya. Nah, cuma ini aja pengucapan. Jadi jangan dibaca money ya. Coba money.
Money.
Money. Jadi don't say it's about money. That you can say it's about money for this one kalau uang ya. Oke, itu aja Sis Raisa untuk koreksinya. Confidence-nya oke, tingkatkan terus. Dan juga untuk penyusunannya juga udah oke. Tadi pakai containing juga ya. Oke, that's a really good for that team. Oke, interviewer kita. Ayo, Sis Viana. Gak raise hand interviewer gimana nih? Yo, come on, Sis Viana. I want to know it. What kind of thing do you usually bring, and does you prefer in time or on time?
I'm like in time.
And what kind of thing do you usually bring? Bendanya apa aja? Parfum mahalnya silahkan disebutkan juga tadi.
Nggak punya parfum mahal, parfumnya beli di Indomaret.
Oke, apa aja yang dibawa? What kind of thing do you usually bring?
First, I bring my phone because my customer contact me to order food. Then I also bring perfume because I like wearing perfume. Next, I always bring money because I like buying snack.
Benar, setelah like ada ing-nya ya. Oke, that's really cool. Untuk penyebutan camilan bener ya, snack ya. Oh, itu nggak pakai it was like a snake ya. Kalau snake,
ular.
Beli ular ya. Oke nih, benar. Jadi kalau camilan bisa pakai snack aja nih. Untuk nggak pakai snake ya. Oke, that's nice. Sis Viana aman ya untuk penyusunannya. Seperti biasa, that's a recruit for this one, exactly ya. And also that you add about the reason, jadi lebih lengkap lagi nih. Right. And next, Sis Naila. Ayo, Sis Naila interviewer nggak raise kan masa nih? Ya, come on Sis Naila. What kind of thing do you usually bring? And that you prefer in time or on time?
When I go, I always bring my handphone because handphone are very helpful for anything. And I bring wallet because for payment when I buy something. I prefer on time because I don't like waiting. Thank you.
That you don't like coba waiting.
Waiting.
Waiting. Oke, itu aja ya, Sis Naila ya. Oke, benar banget untuk pembayaran. Jadi kalau kita mau bilang payment, Pak, tampaknya udah familiar banget ya on your phone that you could say it on your Shopee like this one ya. Oke, itu aja Sis Naila ya untuk koreksinya. Untuk confidence-nya oke sekali. Tingkatkan lagi ya Sis Naila. Untuk confidence-nya oke juga nih for this one. Untuk aktifannya juga oke ya. Tinggal dilatih aja terus agar nanti lebih lancar ya Sis Naila ya. Oke, that's a
Thank you.
perfect for this one. You're welcome Sis Naila. Oke, thank you teman-teman that you have tried to join this our class today ya. Dan terima kasih juga teman-teman yang sudah mengirim jawabannya, tantangan pertanyaan dari this our speaking partner staff ya. Yang kemarin ada Sis Viana dan juga Sis Eka. Thank you that you have tried to send about this one. Jadi nggak usah khawatir, seperti biasa nanti akan Bro kasih koreksi juga ya teman-teman ya. Jadi untuk teman-teman nggak usah ragu, kirim aja jawabannya. Wah, ada 3 ya kemarin yang kirim. Ada Sis Viana, Kaf, dan juga ada It looks like a Sis Eka nih for this one. Nah, jadi kalau ada tantangan seperti itu, even tidak wajib, teman-teman bisa melatih writing teman-teman, bisa mengaplikasikan grammatical structure juga yang sudah pernah kita pelajari ya. Nanti bisa Bro koreksi nih for this on our Zoom tentunya ya. Nah, this one. Oke, don't forget tomorrow we still have a class. Besok kita masih memiliki kelas teman-teman dikarenakan di hari Rabu kemarin laptop Bro Yudis rusak ya. I'm so sorry for this one, bikin teman-teman agak sedikit kaget. Kenapa ini Bro udah join kok gak mulai-mulai ya. I'm so sorry for this one ya, teknis teman-teman ya. And kita ketemu lagi besok teman-teman. Thank you that you have tried to join this our class and give applause to our friend yang sudah mencoba hari ini. Ada Sis Eka, Sis Nurma, Bro Fahmi, Sis Shiva, Bro Shiva, Sis Lala, Sis Raisa, Sis Viana, and Sis Naila. Oke, confidence-nya oke sekali. Tingkatkan terus teman-teman untuk melatih kita tidak insecure when we try to speak. Soalnya nggak ada yang bilang so Inggris di latihan kita tentunya. Thank you for coming, thank you for joining, and see you tomorrow ya teman-teman.